Welcome back to AI Academy Hub. Today we're going to be talking about creating those viral Instagram, TikTok, and other social media portraits that look fascinating and truly a work of art using ChatGPT. Whether it's cinematic portraits or professional portraits or something that is social media ready, we're going to talk about it all in this video with results as well. And stick to the end of the video as we'll also be giving out bonus image generation prompts in this video as well. Okay, now let's get into it. Firstly, we have cinematic portraits. These prompts can make any dull photos of yours look and feel like it's extracted straight out of a movie. So here they are. Prompt number 1, Noir Vigilante. Ultra-realistic cinematic portrait of a lone figure in classic film noir style. Dramatic low-key lighting with deep shadows, sharp, angled key light carving out cheekbones, subtle mist in the background, rain-soaked hair strands, eyes intensely focused away from camera, wet city street bokeh with neon glows, high-definition skin texture, natural imperfections preserved. And here's the result of how it looks. Prompt number 2, Sunset Indie Film Look. Realistic cinematic portrait at golden hour. Soft, warm sunlight halo behind head, backlit hair catching light strands, slightly overexposed background with creamy bokeh, reflective eyes glancing slightly down, freckles visible, soft lens flare on shoulder, natural makeup, color grade inspired by indie films, rich skin tones, no filters. This is the final result of it. Now let's move ahead and talk about professional portraits. These prompts can help you generate images that are clean, elegant, and look like studio-level photography in just minutes. Prompt number 3, Corporate Authority. Ultra-clean, professional headshot for LinkedIn profile, plain light gray studio backdrop, 3-point softbox lighting for balanced shadows, realistic skin with minimal retouching, sharp business suit with subtle texture, confident neutral smile, catch lights in eyes, high-resolution detail, color balanced for natural skin tone. And here's how it looks in the final result. Prompt number 4, Modern Entrepreneur. Professional half-body portrait of an entrepreneur in a modern glass office setting. Natural daylight streaming through large windows, blurred cityscape background, crisp white shirt, blazer slightly open, arms crossed confidently, natural skin texture, fine hair detail, subtle vignette around edges, realistic color grading with true whites and lifelike shadows. Here's how it turns out. Let's move ahead. Next is social media ready portraits. These prompts can help influence your social media presence. These prompts work like a charm which can enhance any of your photos that look bad to that extent that they feel like a celebrity's posts. Prompt number 5, Influencer Soft Glow. Trendy social media portrait for Instagram, soft daylight from a window, gentle shadow contouring on cheeks, perfect skin realism with faint freckles and slight blush, glossy lips, hair slightly tousled and backlit, pastel neutral background softly blurred, subtle lens flare, color grade with warm highlights, cool shadows for modern aesthetic. Here's how it's going to look. Moving ahead, we're now going to explore Cyberpunk feels portraits. Cyberpunk portraits would look cool as hell to flex on social media or explore a sci-fi part of you. These prompts extract feelings like you were born ready to be a part of the cyberpunk community. Prompt number 7, Neon Night Rebel. Hyper-realistic cyberpunk portrait, dramatic neon lights in pink and cyan reflecting off face, short depth of field with neon signs blurred in the background, damp skin glistening slightly, edgy makeup with metallic eyeshadow, hair partly illuminated by neon strip lights, intense eye contact with camera, color grade with high contrast, deep blacks, and high electric highlights. This is how amazing they turned out. Prompt number 8, Digital Underground. Cyberpunk headshot in rainy back alley scene, realistic water droplets on hair and collar,
vibrant holographic reflections on face, subtle smoke drifting in the background, cool-toned neon glow casting split lighting across the face, visible skin pores, no beauty filters. Cinematic urban grit. All right, finally, let's look at Studio Portraits prompts. These prompts can make your boring and plain photos look striking and stunning to studio level. Prompt number 9. Fashion Editorial Studio. Studio portrait with high fashion editorial vibe, seamless light beige backdrop, single beauty dish overhead for crisp shadow under chin, flawless, realistic skin with visible fine hairs, matte makeup with bold lips, clean hair pulled back into a bun, subtle shoulder pose, shot in high resolution with shallow depth of field. Prompt number 10. Classic Portrait Light. Timeless studio headshot, dark neutral background with subtle gradient, Rembrandt lighting on face, soft triangle of light on cheek, natural skin texture enhanced but not overly retouched, neutral lip color, hair styled in gentle waves, eyes softly smiling. Color balanced for classic painterly feel. So these are the prompts that can elevate any of your photos to the next level of visual story. And like we promised, here are the additional bonus prompts for you to use. This was all for this video. See you in the next video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel, which will motivate us to bring more exciting AI-related contents.